the bank in the house. I got the bank in the house.
Welcome, friends. The I Got Bank team had a virtual Zoom cupcake baking session with Chef Simone. The video has a few clips from our session. This is not a step-by-step process. You will need to follow the recipe in your subscription box. Chef Simone completed a STEAM exercise with us with Kahoot, and we discussed goal setting while waiting on the cupcakes to bake. We had a fantastic time learning and baking. Chef Simone is the greatest. Share this video with others. Please stay tuned.
First, we're going to look back, so you can go ahead and grab the recipe sheet. And we're going to go over all of the ingredients because the first thing that we want to make sure is that we have everything that we need.
Okay.
So for the ingredients, the first one should say 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour.
Yes,
Do you all have your flour? I have mine. Okay, check that off. It says 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Do you all have your vanilla extract? It's like this brown liquid.
Yes, we have it in the box. Oh yeah, we got it.
Go ahead and get our ingredients.
Our extra sprinkles.
Okay, let's take it.
Baking soda.
I'm just trying to make sure you all like before I move on. So, the one you want to bake soda, do you all have your baking soda? Okay, good. Okay, and then, do you all have milk?
Yeah, we have our milk. Not big milk.
Great. Okay, good. And your butter to room temperature, it should be 5 1/3 tablespoons of butter. Okay. Do you all have your granulated sugar?
Sugar.
Your sprinkles. We need our sprinkles.
Both. No. Triple.
And okay. And our icing, of course, we have our icing. We have our sprinkles. We have our icing. And then that's it, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, no, you forgot our eggs.
Okay, our 3 eggs.
So the first one.
So first it says preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. So did you all preheat your oven?
No. Yes, Cereal knows how to because Mom taught her. So I'm just going to take these sprinkles and put it in my side. Thank you. And then we do start?
Yeah.
Okay, now we've done it. My baking hat says we're almost done. Yeah. It's getting there.
Perfect. Do you have adult supervision?
Yes. Mom's right there.
Now we can get into the fun part.
Yes.
So it says line the muffin pan with paper baking cups. So you're going to take your cupcake liners.
We got extra.
You're going to open up your cupcake liners.
You're going to use these because they're already used. Hey, where's our camera? Yes.
And so I have not that 6, but you can make 12 right then as you want to make. I'm making 6 because my family and I are going to only eat this many and then the rest of the freezer. And I'll show you how to properly package that.
And you're not doing it right. Next is yellow.
So did you all line your cupcake pan?
We are nicely.
Sugar, we're going to mixer or a spoon until it's light and fluffy for about 5 minutes.
So, Mommy, in a large.
The
butter's heating. The butter is heating.
I'm gonna use a whisk. So I'm just gonna put that inside here.
Whisk.
You all warmed up your butter.
Yes, good. Okay, let me whisk.
A little too long. It's fine. It'll be fine. So you can add in your sugar slowly. You want to add in your sugar slowly.
Do we pour all of it? No, we pour in a 3 in a. We can put it all in.
You can put it all in, but add it in. So you're gonna just slowly can mix the butter, and you can add in the sugar slowly while she's mixing. You may not want to add in the whole entire sugar one time.
There's some holes.
So that's about adding it in. It's just you sit there, mix it up a little bit, and then you can add in the rest, and then mix it up again. So we're going to mix it, and sugar and mix as we go. So kind of alternating the sugar, adding sugar. And you keep on alternating it, adding more sugar and mixing.
Are we done?
Yes, yes, you're good. You mix it all together really well.
So y'all, I need you to scoop this way.
Sugar.
Did you mix it together really good?
Yep, she did.
Oh, you still have some sugar left over? Yeah, add in the rest of the sugar. Yes, add in the rest of the sugar, and then mix it some more.
No, I fixed it. I'm good at fixing things. Take it out and
Are y'all done? So, can anybody read to me what the fourth step says on the recipe sheet under directions? Go ahead, yeah.
At one time, stir in the eggs. Be sure to blend in well after adding each one.
One at a time.
Okay, the goop is dripping.
You're going to add in your egg. You're going to mix that.
Okay, I'm gonna whisk it. Okay, let me. No, she first said whisk it before you put it in. Okay, we got most of it in. Okay, whisk.
And while I'm there, I'm going to go to my third egg. So I'll just be ready after I finish mixing that. I can just pour it straight in. How yours look too. Show me yours as well.
It looks like an omelet after.
Yeah, just try to smell it. What do you think it smells like?
No, I didn't smell it. It actually didn't smell that bad.
So now it says.
You should know that by now. You make omelets.
How about your sister Lisa?
It says to add.
Read the fifth part.
It says to then stir in the vanilla extract, flour, and baking soda until it is mixed well. So we use
Yes,
1
I love that
teaspoon.
energy. Yes. Okay,
Where's our
so
teaspoons?
stir in
We
the
need
vanilla
1
extract,
teaspoon.
the flour, and the baking soda until well mixed. So we're going to start off by adding in our vanilla extract, and that is going to be 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. So you're going to add
We're done. You have to still stir it. Teaspoon, yes. So I'm going to slowly open it up and pour it on top just in case anything drips.
Great job. Yeah.
Baking soda, go.
Perfect.
Then we do 1 teaspoon of baking soda.
Yes, now we can add in our 1 teaspoon of baking soda.
Wait, before we do the baking
And
soda,
then we know the baking soda.
before we do our baking soda, we have to put in our
You can
our
just
flour.
put it all in.
Mom, do you use this to put our
Okay,
flour in?
that's all 3 of them. So we can put in all 3 of them.
Flour inside.
So now we're going to mix the flour together.
We put all the flour.
And put it in.
Then we're gonna do it. This almost looks like we're baking golden slime.
Both right?
Yeah. Baking soda next. Baking soda next.
Who knows what the baking soda does?
I don't know. It just says baking in its name, so it's
That's
what does it? I don't really know.
The baking soda allows our cupcakes to rise. So baking soda will actually rise.
That's cool.
Yes.
Let's see what baking soda in
Yes, I think so.
there. Okay, what happens when it turns stir? Now what?
Add your milk.
Wait, it doesn't say to put in our milk until it's mixed well, and then we add about 1 tablespoon of sprinkles before adding. Skip 1/3. Can we put 2 cups?
Now we put in 1/2 cup. So the new recipe says 1/2 cup of milk. So you must add in 1/2 cup.
You need more? Okay, careful.
Then you measure out the one. Yeah. And you put milk in, so you just keep mixing it. It'll ease over time.
That looks like beige slime we're making. We're making slime today. We're making slime.
You're making cupcake slime.
Ooh, yeah, that's weird. Oh, that's edible. Very edible.
That's very edible.
Yeah, yeah.
So you're just going to keep mixing that. Mix.
I'm stirring as fast as I can. Okay, there's no.
Look at this. This will be consistent.
Like this?
Nice and smooth.
Like this, it's going fast. This.
Yes, that's great.
I'm gonna get all that flour inside because I want to get enough flour. Yes, I'm trying to get all the flour from the side so we can have
Yes,
enough
that's one of the main things. You want to get the flour from the size of the bowl, so that you have this nice, delicious.
And you can make extras, right?
Yep.
Yeah.
So once you mix it all together, the next step says add in about 1 tablespoon of sprinkles into your batter and stir well.
Where's our sprinkle?
Then you have a choice to either add in these sprinkles or these sprinkles. Okay, you can use the other ones on top of that. So I use those sprinkles.
We got 2, but I want more. Okay.
So I'm going to add about 1 tablespoon. So I'm going to get 1 tablespoon. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of these sprinkles.
I want more sprinkles. Just right. I pour 1 cup of it.
The reason why we add sprinkles last is because our sprinkles sometimes change the color of our batter.
Yeah, that's what
Everything mixed together, I'm just going to take my pan, my baking cups in there, and my batter, and I'm going to get my ice cream scooper. Now, this is a smaller ice cream scooper. You can use a spoon if you don't have a small ice cream scooper, but usually I do 1.5 scoop of the ice cream scooper in my baking cup, and I kind of match that every single time.
It's okay.
You're adding 1, and then I'll do.
I'm going to say.
You work out what I have.
I'm doing
Just
2.
shake that thing again.
Please the best one. Oh yeah, please the best for us. We should do 3. We should do 3. I'm doing the blue ones. So I know that. It's okay.
Are you putting in your cookie batter? Okay, I got it first.
I'm putting 3 in each one.
Way down. Okay, so now I'm gonna close it.
Steven.
Then do I say start and set?
Yes.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Here.
Oh, I shall grab our cupcakes. And I wait. I'm gonna put some more kaku. I got it. Ooh.
Okay, I like it.
Okay.
Put your mittens on.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh.
Just like this. And then what you're going to do is you're just going to kind of pull it.
We use this. I'm gonna go.
And you want to make sure that all the other air is out. So you're going to kind of squeeze it like that and then just seal it to where all the other air is out. And then you're going to kind of group all the icing in one end like this. You see it? You see it?
Yeah.
All the icing is kind of grouped inside of one section.
There we go. Yeah.
Okay. So you don't need more in there.
Perfect. So now you're going to group it into one side, then group it into one side like this. And then you're going to get your scissors. We're going to kind of twist it so you can be able to hold and control it. And you're going to get your scissors and kind of make a little opening.
I don't
And
have
then,
enough icing.
You
I
know,
don't have
you
enough
want to
icing.
jazz it up a bit.
Pay attention.
Get your unicorn cupcake wrap. And then just put that around your cupcake. So I'm going
You
to
might need more. Can you help?
open it up.
Done. Ah.
So make sure you all take lots of pictures, have fun with it, decorate it however you want to, and take lots and lots of pictures and send them to me.
We will.
Okay? Thank you so much. I had super fun with you all. Thank you.
Thank you. Here, just do this, Zion, and then you wrap it around, and then you put this into one of these, and then you're done. Yeah, like this. I will add my bag with more icing. Is it? Yeah, I'm running out of icing. Oh my god. Later icing. Icing patrol help me set. It was hard for me to struggle too.
Okay.
What's the icing? Get like the icing. Mama, I need a piece. On. I'm gonna take this spatula out. That's how it really was made. Oh my god. We're gonna have so much trouble decorating that. I'm mixing all the frosting into my cupcake. My next cupcake is gonna make it to the test. I need to tighten it. Mama, need to place it. It's hard to. You want to twist it, so you whisk it. See? Once you twist it, the frosting will go on. This is so legit. Legit. Twist it while you whisk it. Twist it while you whisk it, yeah. I have something to say. Simone, she makes the best cupcakes. I love you, Simone. cupcakes today with the Goddess Food Factory, if you can see them. The Goddess Food Factory. These are the things that also came with the package with some accessories. We got this unicorn necklace with a little pom-pom at the bottom. We got this bracelet, the keychain, and the wonderful bag. It's a little unicorn. We got the vanilla cupcakes, just so you know. This is a 1-month subscription box. And she also gave us a spatula that can smooth the icing on our cupcakes. You can find Chef Simone at Goddess Food Jacks, and that works on Twitter, Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram. And making it was so much sweet fun. Go to her Chef Simone's website and she'll have more offerings. Talking about her website is at www.goddessfoodfactory.com. It also says visit us on the web.
Thank you for viewing our first baking video product review. We appreciate your support. Please follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. You are awesome!
Pig.